When you've just set up your iPhone 17, one of the first things you'll want to do is download your favorite apps, from social media and games to banking and productivity tools. The process is quick and easy as long as you're connected to the internet and signed in with your Apple ID. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and that there's enough storage space available. You can check your storage in Settings, General, then iPhone Storage menu. Once everything's set, follow these steps. Open the App Store app from your home screen. If needed, tap your profile icon at the top right corner to confirm that you're signed in with your Apple ID. Without it, you won't be able to download or install new apps. Next, go to the Apps tab at the bottom of the screen, or tap the search icon at the bottom right edge. In the search bar, type the name of the app you want to download, for example, Instagram, Facebook, or Spotify. When you find the app, tap the Get button next to it. If the app isn't free, you'll see the price instead. Depending on your security setup, you may need to double tap the side key and use Face ID to confirm the download. If Face ID is not enabled, you can use your Apple ID password instead. Once confirmed, your iPhone will start downloading the app. You'll see a small circle showing progress on the home screen. Wait for it to complete. Installation usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. When finished, the app icon will appear on your home screen or app library. Tap it to open and start using your new app right away. You can repeat these same steps to download and install any other app you want on your iPhone 17. And that's it. You've now learned how to manually download and install apps from the App Store. This simple process keeps your iPhone secure by ensuring all your apps come directly from verified developers through Apple's ecosystem. If this video helped you make the most of your iPhone 17, please give it a like. And check out our other tutorials to discover more useful tips and hidden features. Thanks for watching.